So I'm working on this Pfister shower handle assembly, and what it's doing is it's not getting hot enough. At least they say it was not getting hot enough, but I just want to see what it's reading right now. Let me put a light on for it so we can see it. Okay. I think you can make that out. It's like at about 89, 90 degrees. Yeah, it's about, well, now it's up, now it's going up. Okay, so it's getting hotter. It's up to 103, 102, 103. And it's, I mean, it feels hot to the touch, but for a shower, you know, sometimes you want it a little hotter. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the handle assembly. Let me shut this off. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the handle assembly by turning this portion of the handle counterclockwise. Okay, just turning it, and then it'll loosen up, and then this whole assembly is gonna come off, and then I'm gonna show you what adjustments to make to get the water hotter. And basically what I'm going to be doing is just adjusting the hot water stop fitting on there. Okay, so that handle, as you can see, it pulls right off in there. Handle pulls right off, and then this is the stopper right here, the hot water stopper. This is on most of your single or double shower handles for the hot water. Basically, this is a safety mechanism so that it can prevent scalding, okay, from it getting too hot. That's why you'll find usually your sinks, your bathroom sink, your kitchen sink, it'll they can be hotter. They'll be hotter than your shower, mainly because of this setting, this piece here, right here, because sinks don't usually have that piece on there, so it's getting all of the hot water in place. So I'm gonna use you basically just need a slotted screwdriver to pop this out, and then I'm gonna turn it counterclockwise. I'm going to turn it counterclockwise about a quarter of a turn. You don't want to do it too much, because then it'll go too far, and then it could possibly scald someone that's using the shower. So you want to be careful of that, and just go a little bit at a time and then test it out. Just going in one of these slots right on the side here, and just gotta kind of inch it out right there so you can get that, got that piece out. And then I'm just going to turn this about a quarter of a turn, and then place it back into place. Okay, there we go, right about there, I think. So now I have the stopper right there, and right there. It was around here. Now it's right here. It's about a quarter turn, and I'm going to go ahead and test it out before I reassemble the whole assembly. I'm going to test it out and see if it's getting any hotter. Okay, so now we're going to see. I have that valve on. It's all the way up in the hot position. Gonna see what we get. Oh yeah, that's a lot hotter already. That's up to that's reading 122, 124. So that's plenty hot, and that's all the way on the hot side, so you would have to, you know, even it out with your cold water. But I'm gonna go ahead and put that, reassemble it, and we should be good with this. Okay, so we have the handle assembly back in place. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it back on. I'm gonna turn it all the way up to the hot side. And then I'm just gonna take another quick temperature reading. Yeah, that's very good right there. I'm gonna leave it there, and be sure to let everyone know that the hot water gets very hot, so they would need to go ahead and adjust the mixing valve down, adjust it down so that the mixing valve adds in some cold water so that there's no danger of scalding or anything. And that feels very good right there. Just take another quick reading. Yeah, so that's not bad right there. And they can make it hotter. It's at about 105, 106 right there with some cold water mixed in. Yeah, so that's not bad right there. And then if they want it hotter, they're able to turn it up and get a hotter reading there. So that's all good. So I mean, that's just a quick little do-it-yourself adjustment you can do if you feel that your single handle shower is not getting hot enough. That's a way you can make an adjustment. Thank you for watching.